Hi dearies, this recipe is on how to make a beautiful Ijebu or simply call it Ebiripo, which I'll be enjoying with my pepper sauce. But first, let's get the leaves cleaned. These are moi leaves, and whenever you want to use moi leaves, you must clean the leaves. This is because the leaves come with, some impurities and dirt that you don't want to include in your food. Take a look at what the water looks like after the first cleaning. So you have to clean it until the water runs clear. Yes. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and of course, subscribe to my channel, follow my page. Thank you very much. So after the second cleaning, this is what the water looks like. Now my leaves are ready. The next thing I'll do is to remove the hard stick in the cleaned leaves. Whenever you want to use moi leaves, in as much as you'll be wrapping the leaves, you have to take out this part of the leaves. If you do not take it out, what would happen is the leaves will begin to tear. Whenever you want to wrap it, it would waste your food, it will make your cooking difficult, it would waste your time and resources. So the best you could do is to make it easy for yourself and remove that hard stick first before you ever use your moi leaves. Yes, so now I've done that and I'll set it aside. I have my cocoyam here and I have some water by the side and I'll be peeling the cocoyam. So you see this peeler that I'm using, right? I just wanted to show you that I have peeler. It's not like I don't have it, you know, but as an African, I have to tell you that it's not convenient for me to use it. Like, I feel it slows me down to some extent. If you feel this way with about this pillar, please like this video. Come on. If you feel this way about this pillar, identify with me. Like this video, okay? Leave your comment on how it makes you feel. Share this video and of course subscribe to my channel. Yes? Thank God I have finished using this pillar for the first one. And I assure you that for the remaining cocoyam, I'll be using my knife. Yes, my knife, so that I can rush through it and peel the cocoyams as fast as I can. Yeah? Okay. So the reason why I'm putting the cocoyam into water immediately is because I don't want it to turn brown. I don't want any discoloration on my cocoyam. That is why I'm doing this. Okay. And I have to also tell you, you see, I have a blog where you can find all my recipes, detailed explanations on all my recipes. Some explanations you would not find in my video, you will surely find it on my blog, theonlinecook.com. As I have said, this is the third time. Don't forget to like my video, okay? Leave your comment, share my video, and of course, subscribe to my channel. So I'll start by grating the peeled cocoyams with the smallest part in the grater. This is the traditional method, okay? If you have a food processor, blender that can get this done for you, why not save your time and energy, okay? If you've got it. Now that I'm done with peeling, all I'm just doing is cleaning the grater to avoid food waste and all of that. So the next thing I will do is to add some salt. Yes, and I'll mix it very well. You see, this is the part that would get me in trouble with my hygiene people, with my, food hygiene expert. I added some water, but I want to assure you, my darling followers and subscribers, that I have already washed my hands properly before doing this, okay? So there is no cause for alarm, and doing this helps me remove any lumping the cocoyam batter. Now I have my cleaned leaves again and I'm simply wrapping the leaves. After wrapping the leaves, I'll put my cocoyam butter into the leaves. I don't really need to use too much of it, okay? Just a little bit. After putting it in, I'm just shaking the leaves to ensure that the cocoyam butter settles properly in the leaves. I just wrapped it and I'll put it in a bowl. I'll do this till I have, exhausted or finished wrapping all the cocoyam batter. You would notice that I've been using two leaves. It's because the leaves are quite small. But if I have one big leaf, yes, I can use one big leaf. But if the leaves are small, it is quite advisable to use two leaves to avoid, wastage and everything. Because this leaf is quite big, so this is the reason why I'm going to be using just one leaf, okay? And I'll continue the process till the yam batter finishes. This is the last yam batter anyway. So, to be very honest with you, I am already salivating. Now that I'm done with wrapping it, let me just do a little bit of cleanup and show you what the wrapped cocoyam looks like. This is what it looks like, and it is ready to be steamed. I'm just pouring some water into my steamer, after which I would arrange my wrapped cocoyam into the steamer and then cover and let it steam for 20 minutes. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comments, share this video, and subscribe. Yes, my Ebiripo is ready. This thing is very hot too. I just went back to put my hand in cold water and then come back to, unwrap it, but it is still hot. I mean, this is hot. I don't know which other word to use, but this is quite hot. Okay, so this is just me unwrapping my Ebiripo, okay? And then I'll be showing you the delicious sauce that I'll be enjoying this my meal with. Delicious pepper sauce with some beef and soft ponmo. Aish, Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate your time. Till next time, remember, good food should be enjoyed always. I'll see you. I'll talk to you in my next video.